Really? Clint? He's talking to Daddy.
Hello, little man. Hello, little man.
Tell Daddy about your story today, Han. Do you have a story? Uh-huh.
Oh, why does this...
I don't like the way
Yeah, that's alright. He's
I was
fine.
doing it.
Of course, you'll be in trouble.
Oh,
No, of course he's okay. Grant, you're fine. Right, honey? So tell Daddy about your story today. So what happened,
That's
Han?
fine, Satine.
Enough of that cake.
There.
Okay, come here. You want to talk to Baba? Talk to Daddy today.
I want to be the camera girl.
I'll just hold it. Thank you.
Hey, little Grant man.
Please.
Sit down there. I'll let you do it next time, okay? Here. Oh, Satin, don't do that.
Can you calm down?
Those 2 chocolates just too much sugar, I guess, huh? Yeah, look. He wanna tell you something, hon. Say hi, Baba, and he will say something. He will. Oh, never mind. Come here, talk to Baba right here. That would be good.
See? He does not.
Selfish.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Bye, Baba. I guess we're not in. Oh, really? Okay. Tell Daddy about it.
Yo, hi, guy. Are you pedaling a bicycle somewhere?
And then what happened, Grant? Tell Daddy. Today at church. You're not happy? Or not? All right. Well, goodbye, Grant. I think you're ready for your dinner time.